doing today? We are going to be putting in one of these smart boosters. This is a Eco Smart. You basically put it on top of your water tank. Uses the existing electrical as long as you have a 30 amp breaker, and basically it boosts your water temperature to where if you're running out of hot water early, this here kind of extend that hot water about 45% is what it says. So I'm kind of anxious to see that. You know, we got 5 kids in the house, and we're always running out of hot water. Somebody's in there taking showers for 30-45 minutes at a time, that whole teenage lifestyle. So what I've done so far is drain the tank, drain the hot water tank. Electrical is all turned off and pulled. The tank has been completely drained. All the water valves are off. So I'm not going to show you all that. That's pretty self-explanatory. And I have enough play up at the top to move this. And I have this flexible line. So it should be pretty straightforward. So we're going to try to do this ourselves. Save roughly $600 to $900. So let's see how it goes. I might end up having to call and spend double that. I don't know. Let's verify everything is dead. So when you buy that kit, it comes with some fittings that I was about to lose. It comes with this. It's a 3/4. This should make up to the bottom of the booster. It has a shark bite. Should make up to the top of the booster, and then go into here. This is 3/4 piping. So this is what comes in there. If you have anything different, you're gonna have to buy different adapters. Alright, got that cut. Like I said, this is a 3/4. So you need to check, see what yours has. You may have to get a different adapter or something from what comes in the box. So take your Teflon and go off the bottom like that, not off the top, but off the bottom. Stick it on there and go the same way. You're gonna make it up, not opposite. And then when you screw it on, when you're screwing this on, you'll be laying and keep that flat instead of curling up. I see people all the time putting it the wrong way, and they're fighting it when they're screwing their fittings on. So this is a water line, so 2 Uggas in a tight is what you want to go. There's two. All right. She's in there. So right here it says connect to tank. So that's your pigtail is going to go from here to your tank wires, red and black, and then the ground. They're all tight. So that's all the wires hooked up, hooked up, hooked up, hooked up, hooked up, hooked up. That's hooked up there. Got everything hooked up. Right now I have all the drain valves shut. I got the water on in the tank, and I am bleeding all the air out the system. So I'm going through the house, opening faucets up, getting the air out, checking this for leaks. So once we get the air out, we know we don't have any leaks. I'm gonna close all this up and then we'll go turn the power on. All right, and she's all hooked up. Been kind of playing with the settings here. So to control the settings, we got this knob where you can see what it's doing. Tells you if the tank's on, unit's off, flow, how hard it's working, what time it is, how long it was active, total, and setup menu. It's also got an eco mode in the setup menu. Vacation mode, if you go on vacation, you can turn this on to where it'll shut down your water tank to where you're not heating that tank constantly for no reason. It's got the eco mode on, and in there you can set what time you want to turn the tank off and then back on. Our kids work pretty late, so I have it set to where the whole system will shut down at midnight and turn back on at 6:30 in the morning. I'll get a couple hours where I'm not just using energy for no reason. On a side note, when I turned the power on, turned everything back on, my wife actually turned the hot water on, and it was hot almost instantly, and the tank had literally just got full and has not heated yet. So for her to have hot water that fast, and it was showing that this was pulling 100% of the work, so this was heating water instantly when the tank was still heating up. So that's actually pretty cool to me. So I think this should do the trick and save me from having to get either another tank added to our system or a tankless, which was going to be ridiculously expensive because of having to upgrade the electrical and everything else. So hope this helps. Eco Smart Boost. So is it worth it? I don't know. I'll do a little update video here in about, I don't know, 6 months or so. We'll let you know if I'm running out of hot water still. So have a good one. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.